Hey everyone, guys, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to contact your DoorDash support guys, okay? For help with your orders, account issues, or any other concerns. So this is super easy to do. So let's jump right in, guys. So first things first, what I want you to do is open up the DoorDash app on your phone and just log into your account. And next, what I want you guys to do is tap on the menu icon, or you'll see at the top left, those three horizontal lines. Just tap on that, and then from here what I want you to do is scroll down and select help. Okay, so under the help section you will find a list of common issues, right? Choose the category that matches your problem, such as you could have order issues, payment problems, or account support. And if your issue isn't listed, I just want you to scroll down and tap on chat with support or call support. Okay, this will connect you directly with the DoorDash representative. You can also use the email option for non-urgent inquiries. And guys, for quick help, what you can do is you can also visit the DoorDash website and just go to the help center and use their support options, including their chat. They have an in-built chat feature on their website, or you can access the frequently asked questions, guys. And there you go, guys. Whether it's an app issue or an order problem, DoorDash support is just a few taps away. And guys, if you found this tutorial helpful, guys, don't forget to like, comment, and of course, guys, subscribe for more quick tips. And I'll see you guys in the next video.